YouTube, back with another video, and today, as y'all can see, y'all in the refrigerator right now, because guess what we're doing? We're cooking with A. So cooking with A, I think that's gonna be the new series I'm gonna start with. And today I'm gonna just wait and tell y'all. So yeah. All right, so basically today we're gonna be making chicken Alfredo. So yeah, we get y'all set up right. So this, got your boiling water, all that stuff. Got the chicken right here. Got the garlic bread. Don't forget that, great value. That's always the way to go. Cookies and cream. I'm not promoting you right now. Yeah, you did. So basically we're gonna go through steps of cooking chicken Alfredo. Hope y'all like the video, and like, comment, subscribe right now. And what do y'all want me to cook next? I'm feeling hamburger helper, but yeah, it's up to y'all. So anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all whenever I do something interesting. The water's boiling right now. We got the thing right there going. And yeah, we'll get back up with y'all in a little while. Alright guys, first thing I want to do, put the noodles in the pot, about ready, boiling, all that stuff. Basically, how I like to do it, make sure y'all put salt into the thing too, cause I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I really don't know why to do it, I just know to do it. So yeah, y'all do like that. How I like to do mine, I like to break it off, and then I put it in there. Yeah. So basically, I'll catch up with y'all whenever we do something else. But alright, so basically what y'all gonna do now, I'm gonna put the chicken, put it in the pot. Basically I just put some butter in there. And yeah, I mean that's pretty self-explanatory. You put the butter in there, season the chicken first. If you wanna know what I seasoned the chicken with, I seasoned it with Creole seasoning, chicken seasoning. I did not put garlic salt in there. Don't be putting that stuff in there. Garlic powder, put that in there, black pepper. I splashed a little bit of salt in there too. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did for that. So now, you just wait for your chicken to cook and all that stuff. And you see the noodles, they're boiling right now. So yeah, I'll pick up with y'all whenever all this is finished. So yeah.
T4L is the name. Slide through the cats and your bitch rapping back, huh? Mac on the dresser, I love to pop back. Bitch in the whoop, you know that bitch spinning. All of my nigga, they suit up in black. No mask.
Alright, so guys, now basically the chicken's done. Y'all can see. So yeah, it's done. So now we're gonna take the chicken off, and then we're gonna make the Alfredo sauce. And then things are gonna be looking good, and all that stuff. So that'll be that. I'll get back with y'all whenever we start making the sauce. Yeah. Alright, so basically, I'm gonna pour the cream in here, get some, pour some of that in there.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Shut up, speaker.
Check out the help section in your ultimate.
Yeah, so you want to pour that in there. Then you want to put your butter, get about basically half a stick of butter. Put that in there. Alrighty. And then you want to put some mozzarella cheese or parmesan cheese, whatever one you really prefer. Alright, so basically you want to put some cheese in here. Put a good little hefty amount in there, you know. Don't be too shysty with it, but you know, you can put some in there. Alright, I'll probably put some more cheese in there, but I'll get y'all back whenever it starts, you know, thickening up a little bit and showing y'all what y'all need to do and all that stuff. So, alright, so basically once it starts getting like this, a little thick, you know, you're pretty much ready. You're done. That's your sauce right there.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Seriously.
Check out the help section.
But anyways, so basically after this, I'm gonna pour this in there. Pour this into here with the chicken and Alfredo and all that stuff. Most people pour it like that way, but I like pouring the Alfredo in there. So yeah, guys, I'll show y'all that, and then I'll get back with you.
Hey, wavy boy.
Gotta drop on the art where you lay it. Peek the watch about time for a fade tap. Diamond glitzy, you know they be spray back. Gotta hear me just look to a Maybach. Kill heaven.
Basically, we got the chicken Alfredo in here. And I mean it looks good to me. That's all I'm trying to say. That was the first time I ever made it like with that. I usually just put Alfredo sauce in there, but for y'all, like I gotta, you know, just try anything. So basically, see what the best thing is. But yeah, this thing sounded like you know what, and yeah, it's getting good, all good. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it simmer for about, let's say about, I'll say about 5-10 minutes. So yeah, and then I'll catch back up with y'all and I'll have a plate and all that stuff ready. We got some garlic bread over there. And yeah, shoot. All right, guys, so finished product, all that stuff. Looks really good. Garlic bread right here, yeah, all that stuff. So we're finna taste it. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review. See how it tastes. I hope I don't spit this stuff. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I need like some salt and pepper and that's it. But other than that, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's really straight.
Bro.
How you feeling? Straight?
You need some salt and pepper?
Yeah, that's about it. So, put in the steps or whatnot. To put some more salt and pepper and all that stuff. But to be honest with y'all, it's really, I mean, it's straight other than that. But yeah, anyways, and what other YouTuber y'all know that gonna tell y'all the truth? At least I told y'all the truth. But yeah, to make next, cause y'all know we all fat on here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Wait, y'all like, comment, subscribe, all right stuff. Leave in what y'all want me to make next and all that.
No back with a pad, we gonna get on the drop, we gonna get on your ass. Hot out of the field, when got me a bad motion.